welcome back to my channel. My name is Nioby and today we are gonna get my hair done, and I'm super excited because I'm getting a ponytail today, or at least that is what I think I'm getting. I'm doing like this high ponytail with a little flip at the end, and we are gonna try to accomplish this style without using so much heat because I just don't like to apply heat to my curls. So I did just get to my hairstylist salon. I'm about 5 minutes early, so I'm gonna head inside and see what's up. I didn't bring any hair and she didn't tell me to bring any, but I'm realizing maybe I should have brought a pack of hair because when I straighten my hair in the summer, like if it's in a ponytail, it still like frizzes up. So I'm just kind of like, ugh. Like, I forgot to buy hair. Hopefully she has hair at her salon. If not, we may need to pick another style, but let's see. By the way, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. My social links will be posted down below. By the way, guys, outfit check. The shirt and skirt are from Fashion Nova, and then I have this cute necklace here with the turtle, and I actually got that from Puerto Rico, and my earrings are from Shein, and bag is from Aldo Accessories or Aldo Shoes. I really love buying my accessories from Aldo. I don't know, I just feel like the quality and like the style always complement each other. So yeah, we're finally here. Our salon is in one of these offices. So here, I'll take you guys inside so you can see. We are about to get started. We're gonna do a no heat ponytail, and I'm super excited because the weekend is literally tomorrow and I'm shooting some fashion content later, so this is about to be a look. Kia, say hi. Hi.
Okay, but it didn't even have Dana. It was something else, but it wasn't Dana because I remember her, and it was a guy's name. So.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, but it had this address and your suite number, so I wasn't sure.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes, I love it.
It is beautiful.
Thank you.
How are you gonna keep it like that?
I'm gonna sleep on my face.
Right? Just sleep like this with your arms crossed and like don't even like put a pillow over here.
Put an airplane pillow.
Yeah. I know, right? Like the crazy face pillow. I gotta do that with my lashes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh God, yes.
The donut pillow.
Alright, my loves, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed coming to the hair salon with me today. My Barbie ponytail is literally so freaking cute. I am super excited for the weekend. My hairstylist information will be down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. All my socials will be linked down below. And I'll talk to you girlies very soon. Bye.